We're honored to receive this. I want to say thank you to our team. You stepped up in creative ways. It was a competition, so we stepped up. I'd like to say thank you to the March of Dimes. It's a great charity to partner with.
Working with Coldcraft has been amazing, and through the Chicago Charity Challenge, they have given not only money but time. They really have volunteered with our special events. They've packed up bags for our neonatal intensive care units within the community. So they really have been very creative and have been our right-hand man, basically, when it comes to everything.